we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls. And see how I did the other way. And this is how I did do this to the wrapper thing. It looks like mess, but it don't matter. I'll just put it like this, or who knows. And then I start opening it, wrap it up. Start here. It popped up by itself, guys. So what I start to do is to put cinnamon over there, right here. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one more left, is 5. And there's also a cream where I actually did it, or whatever. I put cream on the cinnamon. And now I have to read instructions. Where's the instructions? I'll move that to the camera. Well, where's the instructions? Let me find out. Bacon for 400. 400. I call it 400 because just in case if I don't know the number. So I put it in the oven. I don't put in. I press bake. Oh, I messed it up. And I press start. And I have to wait. I have to pause this for a minute, guys. Well, I just paused it right there because there's PRE. I have to wait until the bake starts. I mean the preheat. Alright, so we're back and we have to it's 400 in the oven station. So I cleaned up my mess, threw it in the trash. And you know what's time? It's time to cook. It's time to cook. Do I press start? I gotta read the instructions. I guess I press start, I think. I'll check the oven light just in case if they're starting. Let's stop. I put it 14 minutes because the other video was hard for me to pay attention. Wow. Just wow. And you can see I have oven lights. Yeah, you can see. Really gonna enjoy that cinnamon. Really can't wait to enjoy that cinnamon roll. I'm very hungry, so that's why I need breakfast. And we also have biscuits, waffles, etc. And we also used to have a cinnamon toast. A French toast, I mean. I might have cooking class in high school. It's gonna be great. I really can't wait for cooking classes. I'm gonna be a freshman on that class too. And why I'm making a video because of this? Because I want to make cooking videos. I'm inspiring everyone for this, not copying. So the cinnamons are done. See, they're done. I'll show. Yeah, they're done. Look at them. They're cool off. Now, it's time for me to take them out. It's super hot. You better not drop it right there. You gotta close it. Oh my god, the house is gonna be burned. So if I hold the camera so long, then the camera will be burning too. So time off. Oven light shut off. And cancel. So you know what? I'm gonna be eating all this. Gonna be eating the cinnamon rolls. It's gonna be good. So the cinnamons are still there, but I touched them and then it's super hot, so I'll let it cool down. It's time to put cream in the cinnamons. Put cream in the cinnamons. It's gonna be good. Ooh, ooh. I love my cinnamons. Should put a little bit because I don't want to put a lot. Ooh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Just the final cream ever. And then after when I'm done, I'll be eating them. Because you know I love them. It's great. Yummy in my tummy. Now I gotta go take it to the table. Move the water bottle and the string. I have string. It's right here, the blue one. My opinion is good. The cinnamon roll is good. Now at my school we make Fun Food Friday. And the food in the math class is good. But I'm done with math class in middle school. So anyways, thank you guys for watching the cooking video. This is my first cooking video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.